Friends, are you also an Android user? I know you are able to and know to make calls, send text messages and how to use 4G internet. But after watching this video, I hope you will realize that there is more than a smartphone than you have held in your hand. Then you are thinking behind its friendly and simple user interface. There are all types of hidden smartphone tricks and secret features and quick hacks you can take advantage of doing more with your Android device. Google is constantly making tweaks and extending the new features for Android. Friends, if you want to send any card to anyone without any effort, such as birthday card, anniversary, baby shower invitations, anything want to send, or you generally send cards to your friends, relatives, loved ones, so this trick will definitely come in handy for you. And I'm sure you will not even know. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome and search any website here. Like I searched happy birthday quotes, and after that you have to select the text. Whatever text you want to written on your card. After this you have to click on the option of share. And next you will be showing some options. One of them is create card. Click on it. Here you will be shown the format of many cards. You can choose any format of your choice. Then click on next. Either you can save that card in your device, or if you want to send it to someone, then you can send it immediately. So friends, whenever notification comes in mobile and you accidentally clear them from notification panel, then you don't need to worry, because this happens to me too. I don't know which notification was important, which I accidentally cleared. So what you have to do in this case? Let's see. You have to install an application by going to the Play Store. After that, give permissions to the app here. And here you can check all your notifications like I am doing. How will it be if you can send images to anyone with just one trick without downloading any image? Are you also wondering how will this happen? Whenever we have to send an image to someone, we first download it or copy the link of that image and then send it. But if I tell you that you can easily send the image to anyone in just one click, so let's see what needs to be done for this. You have to search whatever image you want to send in Chrome. Like I searched Nepal beauty. Now after this you have to click on the option of images. You have to copy whatever image you want to send. After that you have to open your WhatsApp on the one to whom you want to send this image. Open receiver's chat and paste the copied image on it. And here you will be showing the image icon. Click on it and send to the receivers, and that's it. And that is why with more than 82% market share, Android is #1 mobile platform in the world. I hope you have understood the tips and tricks and now you can make most out of it. I will come in the another interesting topic. Till then, check out other videos on our channel. Bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay tuned.